Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal. I know it's been a little while, but I'm so excited. Christmas was amazing, and now it's time to start thinking about New Year's. So a couple of days ago, the kids and I decided to watch Abominable, which was absolutely adorable. If you haven't seen it, go and rent it. We got it from the Red Box. It was awesome. The kids loved it. And so we're going to theme our entire New Year's kids party all around that. So I decided to make the kids an invitation, and I went out and found a coloring book page. I just Googled it and there was a whole book of coloring pages. Went ahead and I'm going to print that out, and that's what we're going to use for the base of our card. Now we're not going crazy with this card. It's super simple, so this is one that you might even be able to print out and put on cardstock and then have your kids color and they could create it. You know, you're going to have like a kids party. So super easy. I'm going to go ahead and color it in with Copic markers. Just a reminder, my name again is Jessica Lynn, and I'm the owner and artist for JessicaLynnOriginal. Be sure to check out our website. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So let's go ahead and color using Copics. And one thing that I'll share with you is don't forget, build your colors up. Don't just start with the darkest color, because once you go to, for example, like that purple that I chose, you can't go back from that. So always start with your lightest color in your Copics and work your way up. Once I had them all colored in, I went back in and I have this Stargazer packet that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I love it. I picked this beautiful galaxy of purples and greens and pinks. I thought it would be perfect to put behind him. And again, remember I told you this was a really easy card to make. So all I did was I cut a nice border all the way around. All I used was just my Fiskars cutting. Literally I just cut it equal, you know, nothing fancy. I did do a rounded edge. I have a little clip that I use, and basically it just cuts the corner, and I only did that on 2 of the corners. And then from there, I went ahead and I added my galaxy paper. Again, this is a card that you can make with your kids. Super easy. Gonna go ahead and line up that nice edge. And then we'll go ahead and add our Abominable Yeti, add them right to it, and this card is just about done. Again, it's a super easy card to make. Now, I took longer coloring it in with Copics, but if you gave this to your kids and had them color it with markers or crayons or colored pencils, it would be just as beautiful and so much fun to give as an invitation card. And again, you can put anything, happy birthday, whatever your theme is. If you're going to do like a birthday of the Yeti, you could do that. It's really up to you, and that's kind of what I hope to inspire you to do. Now I thought that I had hit record and I didn't, so I apologize. I used this strip of glue on both sides. It reminds me of the double stick tape you use like if you're going to put that extra filter on your windows. And then what I did from there was I had this loose bag of fun filler. So there's snowflakes, glitter, there's some sparkles in there, a little bit of, and it's all 3-dimensional. And so then I just sort of stuck it on there. And then I sprayed it so it was shellacked. So I think it turned out really well. I'm super happy with it. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner and artist for JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Be sure to subscribe down below. And what do you think? Are you ready for 2020? I know I am. Take care. Bye-bye.